English Speaking Gym. Why Speaking Training? Unlocking your speaking potential.
Everybody understands that a sportsman should have a very serious training in order to prepare his body to show good results. However, not everybody understands that a very serious training is also needed to prepare our brain and our speaking muscles to be able to speak fluently and correctly. Hello, I am Teacher Vlad, and I am the only teacher who makes cutting-edge speaking training tools for special speaking training.
Wow!
It is not necessary to have a special speaking training to say something like, "I eat ice cream every day."
It's easy!
However, it isn't easy to say this. Ice cream had been being eaten by me for 3 minutes when it started to melt.
It isn't easy.
To say something like that, you should have a special training and a very serious one. You can't have that training watching short TikTok or YouTube videos. The only place where you can get such a speaking training is the English Speaking Gym. We have a wide range of cutting-edge speaking training tools that will help you to get automatic speaking skills and to become a confident English speaker. Start today for free.